ready? Starting in 3, 2, 1. Alright. We got Rockies on some green cubes.
Nice! Nice!
Plus anyone pushing off some kind of off-list post or direction post. Rockies on your roll-offs trying to get as many green cubes off of those poles as they can. As we get under 35 seconds, you can now switch drivers. Rocket socket. You must now switch if you have. Mustang 1 pushing off some more reds. Rocket socket roll-ons, grabbing as many of those greens as they can. As we get under the last 10 seconds, we see if any cubes are kind of take apart. Get under 5 seconds, Mustang 1 pulling off that part. Rocket socket doing the same.
Good job. Good job, boys.
235 in Curiosity Field. We have 32,000 feet of